Yeah, addiction's pretty hard. Had addiction once. My addiction was hokey pokey, but eventually I turned myself around. What's going on, everyone? It's Martin Ross, and today we're breaking down E40's GPS with Clyde Carson and Larry June. Before we get into this, make sure you check out all my samples. Links are in the description. Also, most important, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also hit the subscribe button, click the bell so that way when this gets uploaded, it goes straight to your device and tells you, hey, Martin uploaded. Also, if you know someone that likes this, hit that share button. Without further ado, let's break it down. All right, today we're going to be breaking down E40's GPS. We'll start with the bass. The bass notes will be A sharp, A, G, F, D, and I believe E. So I'll go ahead and play that for you. All right, let's loop that. Let's see what it sounds like in the playback. All right, so now we're moving on to the piano, and it's just a double octave, the note D. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, so next is a synth pad, and I'm just using F and A. Let's play that back. All right, so next is the piano glissando. The notes that I'm going to be using is F, E, D, C, and A. So it's literally just this. Let's play it back. All right, so the guitar is a G minor chord, which is G, we could say B flat and D. See what it sounds like. All right, so now I got that talk box sound in the very beginning. The notes I'm using is C, D, looks like you could say B flat or A sharp, and then G and A, and it goes something like this. I'll play it back. All right, everyone's favorite, the drums. Very simple. Use the 808 kit. I got my kick, clap, hat, open hat, rim shot. I got my clav, tam, and cowbell. Let's hear what that sounds like all together. Oh, I like that. I love just hearing drums sometimes. All right, so now that we got all the instruments laced out, let's hear what it sounds like all together. All right, to the verse. All right, bring in the hook. All right, there you have it, E40's GPS with Clyde Carson and Larry June. If you enjoyed this video and you're still around, just check out the links in the description if you like samples. I have my Zor's sample library available. Just click that link down there. Also, hit that like button. We're here. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Also, hit that subscribe button. You've gotten this far, and click the bell so that way as soon as this video gets uploaded or future videos get uploaded, it'll go straight to your device. And also, if you know someone that likes the video, hit the share button. This is Martin Ross breaking down E40's GPS. Y'all have a good one. See you later.